Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we are going to tackle an interesting problem regarding streaming API responses. So, the issue we have here is that we are expecting a continuous stream of numbers every 500 milliseconds from an API endpoint, but instead, we are receiving the entire payload after a 5-second delay. Quite the problem, right? Now, let's dive into the solution for this predicament. The key lies in how the request is being sent. By using the system text JSON package and ensuring that the response header is set to application SYN, we can make sure that the numbers are streamed every 500 milliseconds. You can confirm this by checking the Network tab in the developer tools of your browser. It's all about making use of the right tools and settings to enable streaming of the response. Solution in hand, let's wrap things up. By making these adjustments, you can successfully stream the numbers at the desired interval. Remember, it's all about leveraging the capabilities of your tools to achieve the desired outcome. So, next time you encounter a similar streaming issue, you know what to do. And that's a wrap for today. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!